What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another banger. Hopefully we can keep it short and sweet this time. We'll try our level best to do that, but we always want you guys to live with a little bit of more information, even if you're an experienced trader. We hope what we actually trying to achieve is giving you a little bit of more insight in terms of how we see things. You don't have to necessarily trade like us or anything like that, or follow any of our strategies. That's if we choose to kind of like give us strategies or anything like that, but then overall it's just a matter of learning more and learning more and learning more. So in this video we're just going to be focusing on support and resistance. So before we go any further, support, I'll try my level best to write this down real quickly. No, what's happening now? Right. Support is the floor, and then resistance is the ceiling. Where is it now? Okay. So support is the floor and resistance is the ceiling. Basically meaning that support is up top and no, support is below or down, and then resistance is up top. Right. So we now that we got that out the way, let's actually see how we actually draw these support and resistance lines. So our main focus for right now, we're on the daily time frame, so you always have to draw these lines on a higher time frame rather than the lower time frame, so that you don't get a lot of noise. As we go down a time frame smaller, you get to see more market data and all of that. But for now, yeah, what we want to focus on is these swing points. It's your swing low, it's your swing high, can consider this a swing low, a swing high, same thing as this one. All right. So we just want supporting resistance areas at that point. So we there. Let's change the color and make it, let's say, purple for now. All right. So your support and resistance line are going to be color coded so that you know where you actually drew them, right? So what we're actually looking for is, of course, you can put it here, you can put it there, or anywhere. It's subjective. But what we really want is the market touching a little bit of more market data. A lot of price points or price action, right? So same thing with here, not there or anywhere, but just in the middle. Have another one there, we have another one there, and I believe the last one there, right? And then after that, there's not much to actually do there. Obviously this is a daily time frame, but when you break it down to a lower time frame, you probably can see like some reversal candlesticks in these market areas. So they are pretty much preparing you for a sell entry. All right. Same thing here. You can take a sell there. You can take a sell there. You know. Where else? You can take a buy there. You can take a sell there. You know. But let's continue drawing these on another lower time frame. We can also find some swing points here. First one, I'm seeing another one. Change the color and make this one blue. Here's another one there. Just looking for it to touch as much as a lot of price action actually. So that's what we actually looking for. Another one there. I have another one there. This area, that area, and right now it's currently the price is currently at that a resistance area, right? So would you take a sell? Probably not. The reason why I'm saying that is because of if you pay attention to what's going on here, this is a transitioning of a trend. So more than likely, we might be experiencing a lot of more buyers moving forward, right? Because we had our sellers here, where they also made some resistance areas there, made another resistance area there. But this is a break of a trend, right? Let's pull out our fibs and see what happens. It's a PRZ zone, so that is a 78.6. So that's considered a PRZ. So it is a break of structure, and then we made our first high low point, right? So now what we're waiting for is our first higher high point, and then as soon as that happens, pull out your fibs again. You wait for it to bounce to whether 38.2, 61.8, 78.6, or 88.6, and then you take your buy entry, right? But this video is not about a Fibonacci right now, so we'll probably make a Fibonacci video. But if anything, there's not much to say about that, about support and resistance. You can take your buy here, you can take your sell here, only if you get proper candlesticks, right? Also, depending on the trend, you can take a sell there in that area. If you see here, this was a support area, right? The market kept on going up, going up, going up. Or let's make an example with this. It was a support area, support area, support area, and then the market went up, went up, went up. It tested the area again, but eventually it broke out, right? So now when that happens, this is no longer considered a support area. Now it's a resistance area. So if anything, you wait for support and then a retest of this area again, because more than likely it will come back to test those areas again, right? So you just wait for that and then you take your sell. Let's try to find a position where it was like that. Let's clear this up. We had a breakout here, a breakout candle there. You don't take your sell immediately there. You could, depends on how you trade. But then what did the market do? It came to retest this area. So a sell was really valid in this area, right? Also, excuse me, that's an H4 time frame. So you break it down to a lower time frame, definitely could have made some money. Let's see. Let's break it down. Let's go to a lower time frame. M30. We're looking for a Persian Gulfing, a nice one, cause I'm still seeing some support area there. So you probably wait for this breakout and then a retest here. So into this entry point there, risk below the previous low or the previous high, I mean, and then you take profit. Let's go to H1 and see what your take profit is like. No, H4. So but it didn't go where we'd actually want it to be, but this was a support area. It depends on how it is, but you're risking 21 pips for how many pips? let's see, you're risking 20, there's like 23 pips for what? 152 pips. And remember, this is gold that you're trading here. So that's really a lot of money, right? So you're risking around, if you're trading in rands, that's like 350 rands with a take profit of, let's see, no, it's like you're risking like 380, something along those lines, with a take profit of, what's the take profit again? How many pips is it? Is it 120 or 150? It's like 150. So it's like 5,700. So that's crazy, right? That's really crazy. So, but yeah, um, I believe that we've covered each and every single thing. But if you have some questions, hit us up on the comments, the comments. You keep them flooding as much as you can. Drop a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well, so that the channel slowly grows and all of that, so that we can also help out in terms of any other problems that traders